In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to your main dashboard. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so once you're in, you'll be looking at your Workspace home where all your pages, databases, and notes are accessible. To open Search instantly from anywhere in Notion, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. This brings up the search menu right away, which is the fastest way to find what you need without manually clicking through different pages. At the top of that menu, you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and type in your keywords. You can search for page names, database entries, or even specific content inside blocks. This is especially useful if your workspace has a lot of notes or projects, and you want to jump straight to something instead of browsing manually. If your results are too broad, use the filter icons in the search menu to narrow things down. You can filter by things like when something was modified, who created it, or which workspace it belongs to if you're part of multiple teams. These filters help cut through clutter and make it much easier to find the exact item you're looking for. Once you see the result you want, click on it to jump directly to that page or database entry. Notion will take you straight there, so you can continue working without wasting time searching through sidebars or nested pages. You can also check the Recent section at the top of the search menu. This is a quick shortcut to pages you viewed earlier in your session, and it's helpful when you want to reopen something you were just working on without typing anything again. If you have Notion AI enabled, you'll also see an AI search toggle. Turning that on lets you do a more semantic search, meaning Notion can understand the meaning behind your question instead of only matching exact keywords. That can be useful when you remember the topic, but not the exact wording of the page title or content. Once you're done, the page or result you selected will open in your current account and workspace, and from there you can continue navigating as normal. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to search in Notion, use filters to refine results, reopen recent pages, and navigate directly to the content you need. The best way to get comfortable with it is to try it a few times yourself, using different keywords and filters. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to search in Notion.